Hi everyone, my name is Alfia Rachmawati with my ID number is 3. Today I'm going to present a critical review entitled The Effectiveness of Charades or Gesture Game in Improving Vocabulary Mastery. Okay, this review is based on three studies or journal conducted as at the elementary, junior high school, and senior high school levels, and all of them to explore how shared games help students to improve their vocabulary skill in English as a foreign language. Okay, first let's begin with the concept. Charades is non-verbal guessing game where students act out words or phrases using only gestures, no speaking aloud. It's not just for fun, but in pedagogically, it's very powerful because when students connect physical movement with vocabulary, they actually feel with the words, not just memorize them. This process also supports what we call kinesthetic learning, which helps students remember vocabulary more effectively. And as communicative approaches in language teaching become more popular, games like charades are are useful. They make a class active, interactive, and enjoyable, like fun, encouraging even shy students to participate. Sorry. Next is the summary. The first study by Siagian and colleagues in 2024 was done at junior high school using pre-experimental design with 20 students. The result showed a dramatic improvement in a vocab scores from uh, 37.75 to 69.5, and it was statistically significant with a p-value uh, of 0.001. And the second journal or second study by Fickney and her team in the same year focus on fifth grade student of using the gesture game or charades. Their students, their score is increased from 40.64 to 7 to 72.64 with a significant value of 0.000, again proving that gesture-based learning or shared game is effective. And the last study by Putra and colleagues in 2025 used classroom action research at senior high school. Uh, this result improved progressively from 52.9 in the pretest to 71.8 after two cycles. Beside the number, all the studies reported that students become more enthusiastic, cooperative, and confident. So, Sherrod's not only improved score but also changed the classroom atmosphere or situation from passive or boring to fun and enjoyable. Next is a part of analysis arguments. When we look more deeper, all the studies or all the three studies central share central argument. One central argument. Charades enhance vocabulary mastery by combining movement, collaboration, and contextual learning. Is it doesn't just target students' memory. It also engages their body, emotion, and helps strengthen word retention. For example, when students act out for word jump or cry, they are literally living in meaning. They they will jump or they will act like they are crying. Interestingly, the studies is conducted in very different contexts like elementary school, junior high school, and senior high school. But the pattern is the pattern of improvement is consistent. Before using charades, students had low motivation and limited vocabulary, and the classroom is maybe boring, or the students became lazy. After the implementation, they became more active, motivated, and positive about learning English. But however, we should also be aware of some limitations. Most study used small sample size and short treatment periods, and some didn't include a control group, meaning that the result can be generalized yet. Future research should use larger sample, combine quantitative and qualitative methods, and measure long retention. And in my opinion, charades is one of the simple yet most powerful ways to make vocabulary uh, meaningful. Make a full vocabulary learning meaningful. Teachers can adapt it easily for the different topics, verbs, adjective, or even descriptive vocabulary. But its success depends on how teachers use it. They should guide the game carefully, ensure learning goals, and follow up with activities like short writing or reflection tasks to reinforce vocabulary used. So, while charades clearly improve both vocabulary mastery and motivation, its true value comes when it taught fully integrated into curriculum. So maybe enough from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.